charts again so we can look at Is that positive or negative? It's minus, right? Mark, it's minus. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's negative because the yen is obviously coming in. On the other hand, you know, if we get a positive, actually, you know, we're not gonna worry about the yen right now because it really doesn't matter until the release. Let's look at the pound. I want to watch the pound because I want to see if we get a risk aversion trade into the 64 handle here. So I'm watching the sort of 30-20 zone, see if it'll fall in here and maybe give us a trade. I think pound really wants to hit the 64 handle. So, okay, let's, you know, that's why I hate trading it. Trading the pound on the 00 is very, very tough. But let's say we hit it here at 30 up. I kind of want to give it a little more time. I want to see if it comes into the 27 zone here. All right, we short here, 27, just for argument's sake. So short 27, stop would be around 37, 38 on the pound, and see if we can get 17 out of it. And it's actually, in this environment, I'm looking at like two different quote screens, and they're all over the place. But it looks like it's starting to move our way. Let me see if this comes in. And as Andrew was saying, the best way to trade this setup is usually through the euro because it's a smoother trade. On the other hand, when you see when the pound goes, it really starts to go. Let's see if they can take out the 20 handle because we're in at around 27. See if we can get 17 on the offer here and a 20 bid, 19 bid. Let's see if we can get something going here. 17, 20. God damn it. All right. All right. I would go to a break even here. I might even just take it at 20. Screw it. It's very tough to trade. I hate the pound. Very, very tough to trade it because it just doesn't flow with me as well as I would. Okay, staying 20, 17, 19. Am I going to be patient enough to take it? All right, I'm at break even. Okay, screw it. I'm going to take it. 17. Done. Okay, so now it's going to probably fall towards the 00 handle, but it's a perfect example here. Yeah, you see how it just sort of falls through right there? Perfect example of how we're entering a little bit early. We're entering into this 20-30 zone to give ourselves a higher probability of making that 10 points. So at this point, you know, we're all in. Okay, very good, Sunil. You made 13. You know, the thing about this kind of a setup, again, remember I was telling you, you have to practice it over and over and over and over again in order to get good at it. So I really recommend you kind of trade it on the minis. Oh yeah, Kenny. I don't know, Kenny, if you were here in Europe. Was there anybody in the room who wasn't here in Europe? Just post a yes, and I'll repeat what we were doing here. Okay. All right, everybody. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm sorry, guys. For anybody who missed Europe. What I was showing everybody was my setup for the 00's, which you're sort of seeing real live in action as it happens. This is basically what I love to trade day in and day out, although